my favorite planet. It's Earth! Jump into this video. Let's get started. Earth is our home planet where we live. And Earth is the only planet to have living beings. Earth is the largest of the four rocky inner planets that orbits nearest to the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, orbiting at the distance 93 million miles away from the Sun. Approximately 4.5 billion years ago, the Earth was formed from particles left over from the creation of our Sun. Gravity drew these particles pulled together and formed pebbles, turned boulders, and eventually formed Earth. Earth is the only planet to have one moon. Earth is called Goldilocks planet because Earth is placed in orbit around the star in Goldilocks zone, which maintains the just right temperature for the planet, and it is very important for survival of living things. Earth is close enough to the Sun to be warm. Unlike the cold gas giants that circles outer edges of the solar system, but not so close. The surface is exposed to extreme heat and solar radiations, as the case with Mercury and Venus. Earth is unique and only known planet in the universe with a liquid water on the surface. Other planets are too hot, causing all their water to evaporate into gases, or too cold, causing any water they have to freeze into ice. It hydrates the land, helping to create nutrient-rich soil. It collects and pools to form oceans and freshwater system. It cycles upwards to add moisture to the Earth's protective atmosphere. And where there is liquid water, there is life. And the Earth has lots of water. More than 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by oceans. That means oceans are double in size than all the land on Earth. Because of this, it looks blue in color from space and also called blue planet. Earth is the only world to have harbor life. Earth's biodiversity is expensive in nature. An estimated 1.5 million species of plants and animals call the planet home, including humans. Earth's atmosphere is another important feature. Hey, wait! Do you know about the atmosphere? Well, atmosphere is a thick layer of gases that covers entire Earth. It's mostly made of nitrogen and oxygen. The atmosphere is what to allow us to breathe. The atmosphere keeps the Earth warm by acting like a blanket to hold the sun's heat. It also protects the Earth from harmful radiations, the sun, and meteoroids. Earth takes 365 days to orbit around the sun. The time taken by Earth to complete one orbit is called a year. Earth's self-rotation or spin. The time taken to self-rotation is called a day. Earth rotates every 24 hours. Earth doesn't rotate straight up and down. It's it rotates slightly tilted. The Earth's North Pole to the South Pole is called Earth's axis. This axis is tilted 23 degrees. The tilt of the Earth's axis is the main reason for the seasons on Earth. When the part is towards the sun, it will be summer. When the part is towards away from the sun, it will be winter instead. The Earth is made of different layers. Outermost layer is called a crust, where we live. The Earth's crust is cool and solid. Everything you see, like trees, mountains, rivers, oceans, houses, animals, are all top of the crust. Underneath the crust, there's a mantle. Mantle is the thick layer of molten rock, also called magma. It is the thickest part of the Earth. Sometimes magma from the mantle will come up to the surface through volcanoes. Underneath the magma, there's a lava. After that, the core. The core is at the center of the Earth, and it is very, very hot at the thousands of degrees temperature. The core is made of metal like iron and nickel. This blue planet is very special indeed, and the only home for all of us. It is very, very important to take care of our home planet Earth. So take care of yourself and the Earth as well. I hope you enjoyed